The Reloop Keypad Pro works plug and play with Serato Studio. And here's a bonus. With your Keypad Pro, you get 3 months of Serato Studio for free. Here's how to unlock your free subscription. It will take you straight to the Serato Studio offer page. Just click Redeem Offer and create your Serato account. And you'll receive a voucher for 3 months of Serato Studio. Go ahead and download Serato Studio, then install it. Open the software, and once you're logged in, you're ready to start creating. Choose between beat mode, remix mode, or one of 5 genre templates to get started quickly. In beat mode, you can build your own beats using an intuitive step sequencer. Then fine-tune each sound in the dedicated instrument view. Pick from a high-quality library filled with tight drum kits, inspiring samples, a lot of effects, and virtual instruments from every category. Take it further with Serato Stem Control and arrange your tracks in the song view. In remix mode, you can reshape tracks your way. Perfect for DJ sets or creative edits. Use the slicer to place your cue points and build your remix in the arrangement view. So what are you waiting for? Grab your Keypad Pro and launch Serato Studio.